US President Donald Trump believes that before the iPhone were better. He wrote about this on his Twitter. Apparently, Trump did not like the new design of Apple's smartphones, without frames, a fingerprint scanner and a home button. Tim. The button on the iPhone was much better than the Switch, wrote the president, addressing Tim Cook, Apple's CEO. At the moment, the iPhone with the old design is still on sale, models 8 and 8 Plus. Next year, Apple promises to release the iPhone SE2, which will retain the more familiar Trump design. It was previously reported that Apple accidentally declassified the most powerful MacBook Pro. With the same dimensions, it will get a 16-inch display instead of a 15-inch one. The official premiere of the 16-inch MacBook Pro is expected on October 28.